What's up, everybody? Joel Clayfish from the Fowl Life Midwest. Today, we've got a Provider Series Eat Wild edition featuring the right wing sauce, Provider Fowl, and Drop Time with Chef Ellie Lawton.
Hey everyone, we're on the ice today, but this meal came from the sky. Today we're talking about goose stir fry. We're gonna start our stir fry with a hot cast iron pan and add our roasted garlic butter. Up next, our sous chef Charlie is gonna put our goose in the pan. Then we're gonna let our goose simmer in the pan for 3 to 4 minutes. While our goose is simmering, we're gonna start with our vegetables. We've already started our shredded red cabbage, onions, and garlic. And next up, Charlie's gonna add our carrots. Once our carrots are softened a little bit, Charlie's gonna add our beach mushrooms. Once our vegetables are cooked a little bit, we're gonna add about a teaspoon of soy sauce before our final step, which is adding our rice noodles. Now we're gonna plate our meal. Get some of our rice noodles and vegetable mixture, top it with a little bit of our goose. Charlie's gonna put some jalapenos and cilantro on top. And then finish it with some crispy shallots. And that's goose stir fry on the ice.